Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 16th to August the 18th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate or hit a Z notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So, Libra, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Libra, ang nakikita, magsimula na tayo. Ang nakikita ko dito, bakit parang meron talagang nag-o-offer, no? Ng kahit iwasan natin, kahit sabihin natin, hindi natin binibigyan ng pansin or halaga. Parang merong kung anong puwersa or force na parang pinupush tayo to actually do it, to actually give this person a chance or to actually welcome this person, no? Whether it is a new or the person that you already know. Kasi parang nakikita mo na this person is going to be my partner in crime, no? Not, you know what I mean? Partner in crime is not necessarily gagawa kayo ng masamang bagay, no? Alam ko matatalino yung mga tao dito, no? Well, mostly, nagtutuwa naman ako yung mga subscribers ko na napakatatalino. So, they know what I'm trying to say. So, ang nakikita ko dito is parang sinasabi, eto na ba yung taong para sa akin? Kasi parang pakiramdam ko, magkakilala kami. Parang pakiramdam ko, nandito din yung parang katuparan, no? Ng aking pangarap. Whether it is through romance or you know that this person is going to help you materially. You know, hindi ka naman manggagamit, walang nanggagamit dito. You know, what I am seeing in here is it's a mixture of sabihin nating practicality and romance, no? Actually, it happens naman with the King of Pentacles and the Three of Wands. So, parang kasing itong taong ito, um, hindi naman siya ganun ka, so far it should be with the King of Pentacles, no? Ganun siya ka, sabihin natin, generous before. Pero ngayon, medyo nakikita mo na yung changes. So, pwedeng sabihin natin na closed off. Kasi Three of Wands, sasabihin nyo, King of Pentacles nandiyan. So, it should be generous right off the bat. So, nag-iiba kasi ang meaning ng cards. Depende sa katabi, no? So, what I am seeing in here is it takes time, no? Nandun naman yung essence, no, ng pagiging generous niya. But it takes time for them to set free of what they truly feel, of what they truly wanted to say, or who they truly are. No, I feel like there's a lot of things that this person is, let's say, prioritizing. No, at that time. Um, well, I can see here that there is already some sort of uh, natapos ko na yung tasks, no? Ngayon, ikaw naman ang priority. Medyo masakit at some part kasi it came to at parang yeah, it came to a time na hindi ka naging priority nitong taong to. Pero naiintindihan mo naman kasi hindi naman third party yung pina-priority niya. It's their success, finances could be, career, business. So you waited, no, Libra. And I feel like things are falling into their own places na. So, ikaw na ngayon ang priority. And I feel like itong ipapakita ng taong ito is more of nagiging fluid na siya. What I'm trying to say here is magdidire-diretso. Even the communication, even giving you the happiness with the Four of Swords in here, kahit yung, well, somewhat medyo exhausting, no? Itong sabihin natin, um, mga trip nitong taong to, whether it is hiking, going out of town, going out of the country, sana all. Now, you're seeing that this person is really spending. whether it is money, time, energy, effort, ngayon mo nakikita yung harvest. Um, Pwede natin sabihin yung mga nakaraan medyo nagpakipot, no? Or talagang busy lang, no? With the Knight of Pentacles clarified by the Six of Swords and the Queen of Pentacles, now it's your time. Now, it is your time for them to parang ibigay sa'yo itong focus. It is your time para mag, kumbaga, meron kang reward dito sa taong to. Although, hindi naman ganun ka-perfect yung relationship ninyo, no? Sabihin natin meron yung mga challenges, may mga away-away ng konti, but it doesn't mean that this person binaliwala ka talaga. No, parang this is their way of saying thank you na ah kahit papaano, no, nalagpasan natin, na um, naintindihan mo ako, no? With the Four of Swords in here, with the Judgment and the Nine of Cups, huli man daw at magaling. So, mangyayari pa rin. No? Sa haba-haba man daw ng prosesyon, sa simbahan din ang tuloy. For a few numbers of you, sabihin natin, or small percentage, no, nagkaroon ng third party. Pero, at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin yung pipiliin. At the end of the day, those challenges are gonna be removed. And with the Judgment in here, it is you, no? It's you, babe. Ayan. Na, 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 na. Anong kanta yon ni ng Fifth Harmony ng isang member? I forgot. Basta it's you, babe. No, parang ganyan. Parang yung narinig ka. Na, 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 na. Ayun, kumanta baka tayo ay ma-copyright. You know what I mean. Siguro ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section ko anong kanta yon. Sinaling nasulat ko nga, it's you, babe. Or para mas madali, yun na lang ang title natin, no? Para at least matandaan ko din. So, ayun ang actually nangyayari, no, sa inyong situation. It may be a little, ayokong sabing late because it's never late. It comes in the perfect timing. It might not be on the time frame that you want it to happen, but believe me, it's actually on the proper timing. Because kung nangyari ito, think of it this way, no? Kung nangyari ito, yung gusto mo at nagkasabay-sabay, baka short-lived yung happiness. Now, I can see here stagnation of happiness. So, there's actually may magandang dinudulot din naman ng stagnation, so which means not moving, so happiness for the longest time, if not for the rest of the life, no? So yeah, this is your reading. Let's check the emotion. It could be your emotion or your person's emotion, no? So, ay, ang dami. So, dalawa lang naman ang kailangan natin. Walo yata yung lumabas. I need some space and I wish you were next to me. So, ito yung time na sinasabi niya na, don't pressure me, wag mo muna akong um, kinukulit-kulit, no? Pero, ito na yung time na nami-miss ka na niya. Na, ito na yung time na meron ng longing. Ito na yung time na meron na siyang investment, no? Emotionally as well. Or materially, sana all nga talaga. 'Di ba? So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng taong ito. It could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, Capricorn, baka pa, no, wala pa naman. Did I just say Pisces? Yes. Scorpio, Sagittarius. Yeah, so this is your reading, no, Libra. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions. Sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? Kung hindi po ninyo maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the questions answerable by yes or no. Pero kilala niyo po yung sarili ninyo, Libra. Kung hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, pumunta na kayo dun sa ating description box. Nandun po yung link ng aking website. So, mas madali na siyang hanapin ngayon. Pag clinic nyo yan, question form agad makikita ninyo. Ibaba nyo lang ng konti. Nandun po yung uh, QR codes, no? How much per question, name, number for your reference. I also created a QR code um, for a 4 questions plus one. That's actually a discounted price. Um, and if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa description box, no? So, tuloy pa rin ang ating Manhunt Libra. Nandun din sa description box yung mga links na pwede nyong i-report, no? Please report it, screenshot, send it to the designated email. Pag nag-apply natin yan, I'm going to um, pick a winner, no? Para po dun sa ating free reading. Ayan. So, Libra, kung hinahanap nyo yung mga X readings, yung mga readings about X's, nado po siya sa Facebook. Facebook po is Babaylan TV. This is your reading, Love and Light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.